immobiliser fit, and this is a Ghost 2 immobiliser on a 2016 Golf R. So if they do a relay attack on this keyless key, hop in, try and start the vehicle up, it's going to start and die. There you go, the car's switched off. And now if they go to try and start again, it's just going to overcrank and not start. So what the customer has to do, foot off the pedals, turn the ignition on, go for a code of their choosing, 1, 2, 3, 4 we have set for now. Receive a double flash from the indicators. And now, foot on the pedals, start the car up, and it runs. If the customer wants to change the code on the Ghost, what they have to do is, without starting the vehicle, turn the ignition on, prove that it's them with their code, get your double flash as usual. Now we'll put all the way to the floor on the accelerator, pop our code in again, and the indicators are going to start to flash. Now we can lift our foot off and teach it a new code. So we'll just change it to up, down, wait for a triple flash, and repeat it again, up, down, wait for a double flash, and that's the new code changed. So on the Golf, it takes 30 seconds for the immobilisers to set. After 30 seconds, the vehicle's going to be protected and it's going to be wanting that new code. So now it's been about 30 seconds, we'll try to start the car up. Starts up, dies. So we'll turn the ignition on, do the old code, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see we don't get a double flash because we've changed the code. So we'll turn the car off, start again, ignition on, up, down, wait for a double flash, and start the vehicle. If you're taking this for a service, you want to turn the system off completely. What you do, first disarm it, then you go to the driver's window, press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We'll get 5 flashes. And now this is in service mode, it's just a normal vehicle. So for Volkswagen, no need for a code, it's just going to fire up straight away and be a normal vehicle. They can drive it around, move it in their workshop, road test it. As long as the vehicle doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more, it'll be a normal vehicle. And when you get it back from them, all you've got to do is, with your foot off the brake, ignition on, pop your disarm code in like you normally do, get your double flash, and that's the system back on. So to get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a 2016 Golf GTI, keyless, with a Ghost 2 immobiliser. Thanks for watching.